Here, the first step is to define the first node. In this case, the node type is edit field set. The name node is counter equal O. The name of the variable is counter, type is number, and the value is O. The second node in this case is node type edit field set. The node name is counter plus plus, name is counter. The type is a string, but here, when we are calling the value, in this case, we are calling the node counter equal O JSON counter like a dictionary Python plus 1. The third node is a node type if. In this case, the name is if counter. And the name, in this case, we are calling the main variable or the value inside of the counter equal O and counter. In this case, the type is number and the value is 5. That in this case is the limit. The last node in this case is reset the counter to O. Node type is edit field set. Name of the node is counter.o. Name is counter, type is number, and the value that we are calling is inside of counter equal O JSON counter, and in this case we are equal O. Here you have the formula to create a counter inside of N8N.